Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is Tuesday and I took off work because they're like, hey, you have sick hours that you're about to lose. Go ahead and take a mental health day if you want to use them. If not, it's up to you. But of course I took it. So today I am filming a couple of videos, which is a little different for me because I haven't been able to just like film at my own rate without like only having like limited of time. And I'm going to finish sewing projects because one of my goals for 2022 is to create 26 sewing, like just sew 26 things. And that's basically 2 a week. Technically this weekend is starting, like I should be starting a new one and I haven't finished my last one, so I kind of want to finish it. No pressure though, because I'm really curious to see how this is going to turn out. Might run a couple errands. So yeah, I already had some breakfast. Of course I did a glamour breakfast for me and Josh, so I had to clean the kitchen also. But yeah, I'm excited. Mental health day, yay! So sewing has become one of my favorite pastimes slash hobbies nowadays. I used to do it when I was little, and now I have gotten a sewing machine from someone who was getting rid of it in my apartment complex, and of course I snatched it up because I've been wanting to get back into it. Now the project that I'm finishing is a Kiana Bonolo pattern, and I absolutely love her. She sells her patterns on Etsy for a very affordable price, and it comes with all different sizes as well. I'm currently working on the mini halter dress, and I love that you can have the pattern and she has a super easy to follow tutorial that makes it helpful for beginners like myself. I mean, I haven't sewn since I was in 6th grade, and that was what, 12, 13 years ago. So I find that her videos are really helpful to get back into it, or if you're learning. The one I've mainly bought patterns from, and it's just, trust me, I try to follow like professional free patterns and I had no idea what I was doing and just ruined fabric. Now that I'm a little bit more comfortable, I might try to salvage them, but definitely recommend her patterns. Not sponsored by her or anything. I just think that she's really good at what she does.
So you better make it up to when you get home.
The straps are supposed to come out of here.
See you, Joshua.
I'm still learning, I still make mistakes, but I'm enjoying making mistakes and learning how to fix them so I know how to do it even better next time. And I think that's the beauty of something like sewing, where you are supposed to make mistakes. Alright, it is 4 o'clock and I need a little pick-me-up after having to go back and fix my sewing mistake. We're still not done with the dress, but we're almost. I can taste the closeness of being done and like staying on track and improving my skills. It's almost there. So to do a little bit of an afternoon pick-me-up, I'm going to be using Javy Coffee, and they have sent over a concentrate, and I'm going to show you guys what my favorite recipe is, and it's honestly made iced coffee like such a treat for me. I don't know why, like hot coffee is comfortable and iced coffee is like luxury, and I don't really make iced coffee at home that much, but this has definitely made it super easy. So I'm gonna show you what little tricks I have in the bag. This is what I use to make my favorite iced coffee recipe. So of course we need the actual coffee itself, the Javy Coffee concentrate, and then I use the Trader Joe's maple butter, which we stocked up. This is the last bit that we have of it. It is a fall staple that they come out with, and some caramel sauce also from Trader Joe's. They have that year round. So yeah, let's go ahead and make my pick-me-up. So I have my glass right here. I'm going to take some caramel sauce. Because it's been open, it's been refrigerated, so it's like really thick. And I just start coating the inside of my glass. I love caramel. Let me know in the comments down below if you say caramel or caramel. Now I'm going to take my maple butter. I don't normally double dip, but there's literally not that much left that I don't care right now. Like after this, there's probably only one good coffee left. And then I will have to find something else to give me my sweetness. So yeah, again, just coating it over that caramel. I'm gonna pop this in the microwave just so it melts a little bit, and that way when I put in everything else, it actually like absorbs and absorbs. So I popped it in for 15 seconds and see that it's all starting to melt because that caramel, it just tastes, you can taste the caramel better. I take my little thingy-mabobber measuring things, and I'm gonna take my Javy Coffee concentrate. And this stuff is potent, guys. I did not read the instructions, and it says simply take like 1 to 2 teaspoons and then just like mix it up with your favorite coffee drink. I think I understood that as a tablespoon, and so I did 2 tablespoons and I was wired the rest of the day. So this stuff is strong, but it's helpful for, you know, students. Definitely would have come along if I was a student. Like, it would have gone a long ways. But it's great for work. I try to drink this in the mornings when I have the time to be like fancy and bougie, because getting yourself up super early is hard. Still getting used to that, not gonna lie. So yeah, I'm only gonna do 2 teaspoons and not 2 tablespoons because it's 4 o'clock. I don't need to be up till 4 a.m. And I'm not very sensitive to caffeine. It looks scary, but it's just coffee concentrate. Josh looked at this like, what the heck? Why does it look like that? Because it's the strong stuff. Add your ice cubes. And finally, your milk of choice. And now I'm going to be energized to keep doing my sewing. If you guys are interested in trying Javy Coffee Concentrate, I will definitely leave a link down below as well as more information. If you're a coffee lover, I definitely think you should check it out. And I know during like seasonal periods, they do like seasonal drinks. So I'm looking forward to see what seasonal things they put up next. But also very excited that this keeps me like energized for like a sustainable amount of time rather than like normal coffee that only keeps me good for like an hour or 2. This goes me on for like the rest of the night. Please excuse the rude heater noise, but my favorite thing to watch while I'm sewing or listen to in the background is Real Housewives. Right now I'm watching the New Jersey franchise. I've started it from the beginning. It was my first time watching it. I'm on season 8. It's basically the end. I love the reunions, but I'm just waiting on Hulu to update all the other franchises I do watch. So yeah, let's get back to sewing. Okay, I wanted to show you guys like what I'm sewing because I'm just like, yeah, let's sew with me and not show you guys. So before I say anything, I am wearing a normal bra, and like this is a halter, so clearly this does not work. But do you guys remember, honestly this is only going to apply to you if you're like 25 and up, because if you're too young you're probably not part of the generation. So yeah, but we used to wear, or you know, if you remember and you did it, because I'm guilty, we would wear like those cami, like under cami tops that were like white, and we would wear like a colored bra, and then we would wear like a normal bra with it, and then your normal bra would stick out, and we thought that was like so cool and so hot, and be like, ah, my bra strap, you like that? And now we're like anti-bra strap, anti-bra, like no. So yeah, I'm sorry, I'm not changing bras because I literally just, I'm trying this on to see how it looks and then to see how much I want to cut off. But I also wanted to show you guys what it looks like. So I am making this halter dress. Wow. Right now it's super long. Like, look at all this fabric. But this is what you guys have been seeing me work on. I still had to iron this part down because it has this little part to like make that line that wants to flip out. The zipper, you know, we're still beginning, so it's not like the cleanest look. The back is also like a little bit, could be a little bit tighter. I could definitely fix that by bringing in these 2 like back panels. But yeah, trying it on to see how it looks. The color is like merp, but I'm more like trying it with a fabric that I'm not crazy about, so then when I know like things that would do differently or how to approach it, I can actually use a fabric I would like. But right now this is like nun's length for me. Yeah, and I'm wearing my leggings, so it's like creating this line, but I like the style. I don't know, it's gonna be cute. But yeah, kind of wanted to show you guys what I'm sewing, what it looks like. This fabric's not the most flattering, but I like the style, and yeah, just wanted to show you guys. Now it's time to make this a hoe dress. So here I'm basically just examining the dress again, ready to take the length off and just knowing exactly where it needs to be taken in front of a mirror. Here's the final product. I definitely love the way that it turns out. I'm not crazy about this material in particular because it's hugging like my tummy area, but it's definitely cute. I can't wait to recreate this in fabrics that, I don't know, I absolutely love, and this is more like a test. Let me know if you enjoy kind of like these sewing videos. I'm still playing with them and seeing how I want to take it in the future, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed.